Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Running multiple sites from a single Python web framework. Introduction. Running multiple websites from a single Python web framework is a powerful technique that can save you time and resources. It allows you to manage and maintain multiple websites with a single code base, reducing duplication of effort and making it easier to scale your web projects. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to achieve this using a popular Python web framework, Flask, as an example. We'll cover the following topics. Prerequisites. Before you begin, make sure you have the following prerequisites. Let's get started. Create a project directory and set up your Flask application. You can use a virtual environment to manage dependencies. Here's how to set up your environment. In your project directory, create a folder structure to organize your multiple websites. For this example, we'll create two sites, Site 1 and Site 2. Now, let's create the main app.py file to configure routing for multiple sites. To serve static files, example CSS and JavaScript, we need to configure Flask to serve them. Add the following lines to your app.py. To differentiate between the two sites, you can configure different domain names for each site. Update your /etc/hosts file, on Linux and Mac OS, or c://Windows/system32/drivers/etc/hosts file, on Windows, to map custom domain names to localhost. Now, you can run your multi-site Flask application. Visit http://site1.local5000/site1/ and http://site2.local5000/site2/ in your web browser to access your two different sites running from the same Flask application. Conclusion. Running multiple sites from a single Python web framework like Flask allows you to streamline your web development workflow and efficiently manage multiple web projects. You can extend this example to add more sites and customize the routing and templates as needed. Happy coding! ChatGPT